Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to Ultra's Crypto channel. In this video, we'll be diving deep into this wonderful Bybit card. But before we start, I'm not a financial advisor and this video is purely for education and entertainment, so enjoy. In this video, I'm revealing the secret to entering Bybit's insane giveaway, where every $10 spent gets you closer to luxury travel and cold hard crypto. Ready to unlock this hack? Let's go. So easy, spend $10, win 10,000 USDT in first class ticket. And here's the plan, guys. Already have a Bybit account? Skip ahead. Newbie can hit pause. Check the description for a quick sign up guide. For the rest, click register button here and boom, you are in the face. Like this. Every $10 spent with the Bybit card give you a raffle ticket. Coffee run? Ticket. Splurging on crypto swag. More ticket? The match is simple. Spend more, win bigger. The prize drop date is on March 14 and April 14 on 20 p.m. UTC with 3x 10k USDT jet shares plus 10x 100 USDT surprises. The winner gets crowned live on Instagram while HBU sipping champagne at 30,000 feet or snagging that Switch 100 USDT airdrop. Swipe now, fortune favors the bold. Ready for takeoff? Link your card, start spending and let the win roll in. See you on Instagram live. Good luck guys, if you follow these tips you are officially in the running for those 10k USDT prizes. Don't forget, the more you spend the higher your chances. Smash that like button if you are hyped, subscribe for more crypto games and turn on notifications so you don't miss the Instagram live winner reveal. Drop a comment with your dream travel destinations. Maybe Bybit will send you there. Until next time, sweep smart, win big.